At dawn, the warriors of the Sasanian Empire stand as one. Not a crowd of men, but a single disciplined force shaped by duty and honor. Each step is measured, each movement learned through years of training. For strength without order is nothing. Here, discipline is forged. Under watchful command, order becomes instinct, and unity becomes power. Steel meets steel, not in chaos, but in control. This is training, where mastery is earned, not rushed. Every strike teaches balance. Every spark reminds them that precision is stronger than rage. Together they move, together they learn. An army is not built by individuals, but by harmony.
These are the future defenders of the realm. Young minds shaped by tradition, patience, and purpose.
Shields rise as one. Protection is not fear, it is trust in the warrior beside you. Training is not only strength of arm, but strength of mind, strategy, timing, and coordination. Even in stillness, power waits. Horse and rider breathe together, bound by discipline. When they move, the earth responds. Controlled speed, guided by command, never by impulse. A single weapon tells a greater story: readiness, focus, and the will to stand firm. From training fields to history itself, these warriors prepare not for conquest, but for endurance. Training begins long before battle. It begins in silence, repetition, and respect for tradition. Every movement is observed. Every mistake is corrected, because survival allows no carelessness. The body learns through effort, but the mind learns through patience. The body learns through effort, but the mind learns through patience. These warriors are taught not to rush, for haste weakens even the strongest arm. Strength alone does not win wars. Discipline shapes strength into purpose. Here, endurance is valued more than speed, and control more than aggression. Each formation is a lesson: how to stand, how to move, how to protect one another. No warrior stands alone. Each shield, each blade, belongs to the whole. Trust is trained like muscle, slowly, deliberately, without shortcuts. The sound of armor is constant, a reminder of duty carried every day. Even fatigue has meaning here. It teaches humility and resilience. The young watch the experienced, learning more from silence than from words. Honor is not spoken loudly. It is proven quietly, through action. Weapons are respected, not feared. Tools shaped by skill, guided by judgment. This is not preparation for destruction, but preparation for defense and survival. Every sunrise brings another lesson, another chance to refine body and spirit. Mistakes are remembered, so they are never repeated in battle. Through repetition, movement becomes instinct, and instinct becomes reliability. A disciplined army does not rely on emotion, but on training carved into memory. Here, warriors are shaped by responsibility, not driven by impulse. They learn when to advance, and when to stand firm. Clapperboard scene. Leadership is earned through example, not through command alone. Every drill carries the weight of history, passed down from generations before. The past watches silently, as the present prepares for what may come. This training ground is more than earth and dust. It is a place where identity is forged. Each warrior carries the legacy of those who stood before him. Their strength lies not in conquest, but in readiness. Order creates confidence. Confidence creates unity. These warriors do not seek glory. They seek to endure. Through discipline, patience, and unity, the Sasanian warriors prepare, not for war alone, but for history.